Welcome back, everybody. This is JP Trades. Let's dive into another quick Bitcoin update this morning. I do want to remind everyone I do have family in town for the holidays until the rest of the year, so I will not be as active in the Discord. Now, what happened on Bitcoin? Let's first go over two very nice setups that we had. One was on Sunday, and let's do a follow up on our short setup from this order block here all the way down to here was a 11.79 R trade. Very nice trade. So congrats to anyone who took that short. We are going to take that order block off our charts now. We did have this order block hit down here, which I spoke about last week, which was an SFP of these lows coming into this section here. We did get that. And again, we see that we're coming back down currently. And I honestly would like to take this low again and come down to this area. However, we had a nice SFP into our order block here. If you would have caught that move up, that was a 5.7 R move. If you would have had a very aggressive entry, maybe using order flow like I do, you could have put your stop loss right underneath that wick, and you could have made that into like a 13 R trade. Absolutely incredible. So we have our new levels on the chart, new order blocks. We are going to take this one off. It's been mitigated. We go lower below this low. I actually just want to go ahead and mitigate this order block further down instead of staying in that order block that was still like halfway mitigated. Well, a little less than halfway rather, but we do have also this long that got hit. However, I'm going to keep this one on the chart for now for some specific reasons. We do see that we have this trend line here. It has been breached, and we're kind of breaching that now. Unless you want to expand it and move that out to there, that's also a possibility. I don't really trade trend lines. I look at it with a grain of salt of context, and that's really about it. So let's get into the important things of what we need to look at now. We had a 4-hour SFP of these lows, and this is your 4-hour low. So we need to really stay above this low to continue up. Now we could SFP it, we could SFP it one more time. So what I'm looking for here right now, pretty much, is SFP into this area and then continue up. However, we start closing with candle closes below these lows here, I would look for the back test shorts to come on down. And I would think at that point that you might see something like this. Right? So I'm kind of looking at this as a redistribution with a tap 1, tap 2, tap 3. It's a Model 2 Wyckoff, and we're back testing it at some point. But you have to look for the evidence of the confirmations of that type of move. Let's go here and take that off. I actually need to put these in their folder. Okay. So let's do a little bit of volume analysis really quick. See what's going on, how that's filling out. So we're still coming down to fill out this area a bit. Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't mind just to kind of put a range in here, accumulate, and then move up if that's going to be the move here. However, again, if we kind of break these lows, candle close, come back and back test that, I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, to be honest with you, it's kind of a easy setup, an easy plan. Okay, so let's frame these setups. Short number one, you have an SFP, these highs into all of these levels here. SFP, come back in the range, fall in short. I also like this area right here for short. If we were to come here and maybe just kind of widen this range, but this could just be a scalp short, nothing to really take us way down here unless the context change and we break these lows and then we come back to revisit this level for that further for the bigger short, or we break these lows and then revisit this level, get everyone bullish again, trap them here, and then really fall down. So short number one, short number two, short number three. Context matters here. Longs, again, sweep these lows, SFP, come back in, and you carry on this higher time frame uptrend. And this would be your next swing low. If in chance, the same thing, we make a really quick dump down and take this low as well as this low, but you are able to close above these lows, same thing. I would still consider this a bullish move, even though we've put in a lower low. The trend has not changed. So if you don't understand that, you can check out some of my YouTube videos or schedule a one-on-one mentorship with me. So those are the potentials that I'm looking for today. Sweep the highs into this level. These are potential scalp shorts if we continue up. However, if we break down first, these shorts could turn into swing or day trades. We take these lows. I'm looking for here, or potentially taking these lows and these lows. One big wick back up, or we sweep these lows way down here. And that is it for the Bitcoin update today. I'll keep y'all updated in the Discord section.